Hey Google, will you able to speak a story in Tamil?
I can generate a story in Tamil, but I can't speak it like a person. Would you like me to generate a short story in Tamil for you to read?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, here is a short story in Tamil. Oru orla orutata irundar. Avaruku rendu parangal. Odunal thatharendu parangalayum as haithu avaruku urdavisaya sonar. Rendu parangalam tatavaku udavisadargal. Tatamigavum santo shamaga irundar. Would you like me to translate that to English?
Now translate that in Bengali, please.
Okay, here is the story translated into Bengali. এক গ্রামে একজন দাদু ছিলেন। তার দুটি নাতি ছিল। একদিন দাদু দুই নাতিকে ডেকে বললেন তাকে সাহায্য করতে। দুই নাতি দাদুকে সাহায্য করল। দাদু খুব খুশি হয়েছিলেন।
It was quite awesome, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yeah, so can you mention the same story in Hindi for me?
Certainly. Here's the same story in Hindi. एक गांव में एक दादाजी रहते थे। उनके दो पोते थे। एक दिन दादाजी ने दोनों पोतों को बुलाया और उनसे अपनी मदद करने को कहा। दोनों पोतों ने दादाजी की मदद की। दादाजी बहुत खुश थे। Would you like me to translate it back to English as well?
No, not at all. Thank you for helping. You were awesome, Google.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else in the future, feel free to ask.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.